Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing you guys this delicious peri-peri chicken. This chicken is flavorful, it's smoky, it's perfect for a weekend grilling. Before I begin, if you're new to my channel, please take a quick moment to subscribe. Like this video for me if you enjoy it, and let's dive in. To begin, we're going to roast our veggies. I have 1 head of garlic, bell peppers, red onion, habanero peppers. However, you can use chili peppers. They're very spicy, but yeah. So first thing first, I'm going to cut the garlic just like this. Next, I'm going to cut my bell peppers, and red bell peppers is the perfect peppers for this recipe. It gives it that vibrant, beautiful color. I'm using 2. Perfect. Also, I have a tray here to bake them in, or you can grill them if you have a grill or air fryer. Is that right here? Now I'm going to cut my onion. I'm using half of an onion, okay? Cut them like this. Spread them out like this. And I am going to put my habanero pepper in here. I'm going to bake this for about 30 minutes until they're nice and soft. And now we wait. All right, guys, my veggies are nice and soft. I am going to add them to a blender so I can blend them all together. The aroma smells amazing. Oof. And I added the habanero pepper in there as well. And now we can add the garlic. There you go. Alrighty. Ooh, the garlic is so hot. Now I'm going to add in the garlic. This is going to be such a flavorful chicken. And if there's some skin in there, it's perfectly fine. I'm going in with like a half a handful of cilantro. Now I'm going to add a teaspoon of honey. Next, I'm going in with 1 orange juice. If you like it to be citrusy, you can add lime in here. Squeeze that juice in. Make sure you don't drop any of that seed in there. It's gonna make it bitter, okay? Be careful. Next, I'm going in with my dry seasoning, Italian seasoning, ground black pepper, a little bit of seasoned salt, smoked paprika, and some lemon pepper for that, you know, citrusy flavor. Next, we're gonna add some oil, and we're going to cover it and blend. Okay guys, my marinade is done. Looks so good. All right, this is my chicken. I'm using 2 chicken thighs, already washed and clean. I'm going to score the chicken just so we can have some nice flavors going in the chicken. So just score it just like this so we can have that flavor all over throughout the chicken, okay? Now all I have to do is just pour that marinade all over the chicken. I have more marinade. I'm gonna save the rest for some other type of recipe. And just rub that marinade inside the chicken all over in the little crevices. Make sure you get that seasoning in there, okay? Now you can marinate this overnight. Let it sit for about an hour. But today I won't be doing that. I'm just going to bake it as is. But we're pretty much done. All right, now I'm going to add my chicken to my baking dish. I'm using a cast iron. However, you can use a regular glass baking dish. I'm just going to place it in here. No, I am not going to cover it. I'm just gonna place it in the oven as is on 400 for about 30 to 45 minutes. And now we bake it. I'll see you guys soon. The chicken is finally ready and it looks absolutely delicious. Come take a look. Let's try this chicken. Oh my God. This is delicious, okay? It is juicy, got a little kick to it. Absolutely delicious. All I need right now is a side of cilantro lime rice, then I'll be good to go. Ooh. This is good. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Let me know down below if you're going to try this out. This is a must try, guys, especially when you're looking for something delicious, quick, and easy. Anyways, I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Thumbs up this video for more chicken recipes like this one. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.